So we wanted like a taller table, and basically the tables that you buy are dining size tables. So we found these awesome legs. They raise the height, and for us it brings us up to our customers' eye level.
I'm 6'5" and some change. When we first set up this table before we came out to do our booth, it was like down at my knees. It wasn't going to work out. So we needed to raise the table. We found the risers. It's a perfect height. I would feel really awkward with customers if this were like 2 feet lower. So it's perfect height, raises it up for me, and it feels like a genuine sales table. So it's not like I'm, sitting down here chatting with people. It's a good height. So we're glad we found him.
It really works out good for us, and it makes it feel more professional, more inviting for the customers, brings them up to our level. So we really love it.
Lift your table and save your back.